Hi, welcome back friends. In previous video we have successfully wrote the code for this update button, you can see here, and now in this video we are going to write code for this delete button. You can see here the delete buttons. Okay, so simply let's go on our code editor, open our code editor, and here in previous video we have successfully wrote for update button. We have wrote the code for our update button. Okay, now just like this we can write code for our delete button. So simply here I need to write again if method, if condition, and inside the if condition I will use is set, and inside the is set method I will check our button is set or not. So which button? btn delete. Okay, and now let's open and close brace of our if condition and then else. Okay, but here we need to give post dollar underscore post and open brace and close brace. Perfect. Okay, so we are working with the post method, and you can see here our form. You can see our form tag. It is just above the our card body, and let's see the close tag of our form. You can see here close tag of our form is here after the table. Okay, so don't forget to add the close tag of your form after the table code. Okay, this is our table code. So let's go for our delete button code, and inside our delete button code I can write a simple query, and simple I need to write delete variable and then $pdo. Same line I need to write here, and I use here prepare method, and inside the prepare method I can write delete from tbl underscore category, and I use here where clause where get id is equal to, and here I will concatenate then dollar underscore post, and inside this I will pass btn delete. Okay, and let's terminate this. You can see here I just end here by double quotes, and I just use here dot for concatenate dollar underscore post and button delete. So we are getting the id from our button. You can see here our delete button in our table. You can see here in our table this is the name attribute of our button, and using of value attribute you can see here we have get id means category id, and using of post method we are getting the value in our query. And most important thing is that you need to add this close form tag after the table code. Okay, you can see here now our button delete code. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, I just added button delete, and after this simply I can use here if condition, and inside the if I can write $delete and then execute. Okay, and here I can show a message else, a simple message I can show here. What message? Let me copy this, and here if our delete query is successfully executed then we can show a message deleted here. Okay, and if I let me copy this, if our query is fail then it will show us a message delete failed. Now let's save and see the out our code is working or not. refresh our category.php file. I just added some categories here. Let's click on delete. Okay, you can see here it is deleted. So our query is working perfect. It is deleted, and let's open and see our database. And inside our database we can see our table category, and inside the table category you can see here category test1, test TLEET, some random category I just added here, and test 1 2 3 4. So let's delete. Okay, and let's delete, and here we can see if I refresh, let's see it is deleted or not. Perfect, you can see here it is deleted from our database. So our delete query is working perfect. And what I have done here, simply you can see here I just use here if condition is, and I use here is set method. I just take our button, click or not, and if our button is clicked, then this query will execute. So this is the delete query, and I just use execute method. If our query is perfectly or successfully run, then it will show us this message using of sweet alert. If our query is failed, then it will show us this message, delete fail. Okay, so I hope you got this. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.